Hi guys, I'm Rahul Akerkar, chef and founder of Qualia restaurant in Mumbai. I'm really thrilled to be Scroll Foods' first chef of the month. Today I'm going to share with you a little insight on the heart and soul of Qualia, which is all about pickling and fermenting. While I'm talking to you, I've got 2 jars here that are being sterilized. You just need to keep them in boiling water, submerged in boiling water for a minimum of 20 minutes. So I have 250 grams of sliced okra, 10 grams of coriander seed, 10 grams of black pepper, a couple of bay leaves. I have 300 grams of sugar, 30 grams of salt, about 8 grams, 5 grams, whatever. It's basically a tablespoon of black mustard seed, and about 2 or 3 green chilies. And I have half a liter, 500 ml, both of water and white wine vinegar. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to, like the last time, we're going to boil the white wine vinegar, water, sugar and salt. This has been sterilizing for quite a while now, so let's get that out. What I'm going to do now is to put in all of the pickling ingredients. Let's put in all the okra. So our pickling liquid is now boiled. We've stuffed the okra in there. We've got all the pickling ingredients, and just going to fill this now. And you want to cover it. Make sure everything's properly covered, and you leave a little gap on top. So we're going to leave this to come to room temperature, and we're going to leave it out at room temperature for a day. After a day, a lot of the liquid level will have dropped because the vegetable absorbs a lot of it. So we need to top it up again, because the idea is you want to be able to cover it, right? It has to be submerged. Otherwise it's going to, the part that's above the liquid can rot, can develop a fungus and rot. So right now I'm just going to shut this. That looks beautiful. Look at that.